Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to basically skip everything we did yesterday. And that sounds really tempting to do for all your builds, I know, but there was a reason we did that. And it's because not every drone will have what's called a CLI dump or a command line dump like this drone does. So I'm going to go ahead and actually pull up an internet browser here, Google Chrome, and I'm going to go to emacs-usa.com. And what I'm doing is I'm getting the configuration settings that Emacs suggests for the Hawk Pro. Go ahead and click on drones and scroll down till we see the Hawk Pro PNP 4S version. I'll go ahead and click on that, and here's the product page. Scroll to the very, very bottom, and then you'll see this CLI dump and the Betaflight symbol. So let's go ahead and click on that. And I found the easiest way to do it is just to copy this from the very start and go all the way to the very bottom. Or you could do Control A and select all or something like that. And I'll Control C, copy that, go over to Betaflight, and let's go ahead and connect the drone by plugging in the USB and letting it connect. And then we're going to go down here to the CLI and wait till it's done doing its building. So put the cursor in here, Control V or paste, and then hit enter. And now it's basically doing all the setup stuff that we did yesterday. This is something that plug and play drones that are made by companies to have an easy setup that they'll have. You won't have it. You definitely won't have it if you have a drone that you're building on your own, that the flight controller you just purchased on your own. But for this setup, you can just use the CLI dump rather than going through the videos we used. Right here, it's saying there are errors detected. That's because we updated it to Betaflight 4.1. In order to avoid any errors, you'd want it to be on Betaflight 4.0. Now, these errors are not going to change the function of the drone. They're just small changes of the names in the program. So you should be good to go. We can go ahead and disconnect, and you should be good to fly. So that should route through all of the Betaflight work that we did yesterday. If that's what you would rather do than learning the long steps, then go ahead and do that, and it should work just fine for you. Let us know if you have any questions, though, and have fun flying.